Everything is fine now, guys?
Yes, fine, Ravi.
Okay. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, small some. Now everything is fine. Okay. Now audible, right? Now audible.
Yes, sir.
Any disturbances?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So now fine. Now let's see that. Okay. So what we are doing now? Primary key, right? Primary key we are passing inside this what argument, right? So its return type is what, guys? Int, right? So here we will take int id, right? Int id, and we will return this what id. What we will do now? We will return this id, right? After returning this id, now come to what is that data runner class, right? Data runner class. So what I'm going to do now, I'm commenting these things. Okay. Okay, I commented, right? I commented. So now next one is what? Let's perform the delete operation, right? Our operation will be what? To delete this record. I'm going to delete what is that SNO, right? SNO serial number, right? So now come here. Okay, so what is that? DAO dot delete method. We will call the delete method, and the delete method is need what? 4. Okay, 4, right? It will return what? It will return what, guys? It will return int id, right? Now again what we will do now, let's check the condition. If what id equal to, right? If id equal to 0, right? If id equal to 0, so what we will do now, next we will set this out data not deleted, right? Data not deleted is condition. Data is deleted, right? Is what? Data is
Sir, put
deleted.
ID number also.
Sorry,
ID
both.
number put also, then say so which ID number they will be deleted.
Yeah, based on that ID only, right? Based on that ID only, we will delete the record, right? In the table. What we wrote the query, now I will show again. See, in its implementation class, what we wrote the query, delete, right? Delete from student where serial number is question mark. Means what? Sunil, right? You have the doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sunil.
No, not a doubt.
Now, you know a little bit what is that query database?
Yeah, I know.
Whatever query I'm writing, you can able to catch up these things or not? Come on.
Yeah, I catch it because whatever the database record is there, we will pass as a parameter.
Yes. So based on that ID number, what we are deciding now to delete this record, right? What is that Sudhir, right? I want to delete what is that Sudhir record. So what we will do now, we will take what is that serial number, right? Serial number, okay?
Yeah.
So now come here, serial number here I taken, right? So same thing, what is that? So whenever we will pass in this argument, what we will pass serial number only, right? Okay, I'm passing. What is that? This serial
Yes,
number. This serial number is not there. See, just think about that. This serial number is not there. I'm passing. What is that? 5. Here I'm passing the 5. So okay. Now run the application. Data not deleted. What we are getting now, because serial number 5, right? Serial number 5 is not there in the database table. Is it there? No, na. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pass this one. What I'm going to network fluctuation is there. Now fine. Everything is fine now, guys.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So what is that? Previously I passed here 5. That practical you people are seeing? No. Come on, guys.
No, 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 no.
Okay. So what is that doubt here? Here what I'm going to do now? Just 5. I'm passing what? 5, right? 5, and I'm running the application now. Okay. I'm going to run the application. Now run the application. So see, 5 number record will be not, 5 number record is not there in the database, right? 5 number record is there? No, na? No. 5 number record is not there in the database, right? So see this on the console, we will get what is that? Data not deleted. What is that? Data not deleted, right? Data is not deleted. Fine now. So no, I want what is that to delete the record. Okay, so now fourth one, right? Fourth record I want to delete. Now come in the database, right? Right click, run as what is that string. See this what we are getting the result now. Data is deleted, right? Data is deleted. Come in the database now, guys. Select. See this now in this time. Previously, how many data is there? 4, right? Currently, how many data is there now? 3. How many data is there now, guys? 3. So now it's working or not? Now it's working or not? Okay, so fine now, guys. Come to here, right? Come again, next level discussion, right? Let's see the next level discussion, right? So how many operation we completed? Insert and what delete? Still update operation is there, right? Still what is that? Update operation is there, right? Still what? Update operation is there. Let's perform the update operation also. Shall we move on? Shall we proceed the next level discussion now, guys? Arandhe kon thama. Where to use @transactional array? What is your doubt, man? These things is the future, in the future, right? Concentrate on the current discussion, right? Whenever the things will come, I will take those responsibility to give me. Yes, we can see how many row is deleted, right? How many row is deleted. So if you want to see the how many row is deleted, come here, right? So this is not just do one thing, okay? Plus plus what is that? What you have to do? What you have to do? ID. Here take the ID, right? Now here what you have to do? What you have to do? Just again take the ID, right? Again take the ID. Again what you have to do? Again what? Take the ID. That's it. Okay. So now you want to delete again. So fourth record already be deleted, right? Fourth record already be deleted, right? So which one I want? Come here, right? So again I want third record, Raj. I want to delete it. Okay. So now come here. So here what I'm going to do now? 3. I'm taking what? 3. Now see that I'm again going to run it. So run the application. See this, what is that? Data is deleted. How many? One data is deleted or not? Your desired output you are getting or not? So they come on. Come on, Sudhir.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi. Yeah, I got it.
Got it?
Thank you. Yes, got it.
Okay. So fine now.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. Okay, so next one is what, guys? Next one is what now? I will fulfill yours all requirement, guys. Okay, don't worry. Just if you are believing on me, that is the enough for me. Okay, nothing more than else. I will good make perfect in the subject. Okay, so fine. Okay, so fine now. Here, what is that? One record is deleted, right? So fine. Next, let's move on. Okay. Next one is how many operations we completed now. Next one is let's update operation. To perform what? Update operation, right? We want to perform what? Update operation. So for that, if we will specify again, what is the return type? Int only, right? So what is that? How many records are there in the database? Let's see that. Two records are there, right? Suraj is there, right? Suraj is there. I want to modify based on the primary key. 1 minute time, guys, in the real world, right? World, primary key, right? If the primary key means what is that serial number, if like what is that employee ID, after then what is that Aadhaar card number, if once assigned, right, and bank pin code, right, bank number, right, account number, if once the assigned to what in the user, right, we can change it. Just let me know that we can change it.
No.
No, no, right? Yes, correct. We can't change it. Okay, and again we can't generate same. What is that account number also, as well as what same account number, Aadhaar card number, and anything employee ID number, anything we can't generate again with the same employee number, right? So same like in the real time, what is that? This is what final means. What is that? Serial number, employee ID, or anything will be what is that? What is that final only, right? So what we will do now based on that primary key only, what we are doing, the other record we are updating in the real time, right? So we are giving the facility to end user to based on that what is that serial number only, what is that our end user can update the record, right? Our end user can what update the record. Okay, so now I want to what is a Suraj is there, Suraj, and what is the 200 is there, right? 200. Let's take another person name in the meeting only. What is that? Amrani. Okay, now I'm taking your name, Amrani, right? I want what is that? uh, so unfortunately, what is that? Here Amrani need only, we are given what Suraj. Just think about that. I want what to update Suraj as a Amrani, right? And what is that? S marks is there, right? S marks is there 200. I want to 300 or 400, right? 400 to make this one what 400. For that purpose, what we are giving now, what we are giving to update operation, we are going to give what update operation, right? So come here, come in the, so first what we will do now, we will specify one method to updating the record, right? What to update the record, right? So for that, what is that? Okay, come inside that our application. Now here, right? Public int, right? Public int update student records, right? Update student records, right? Based on that primary key only, right? So what argument we will take? Int snvo, right? Int snvo. And what is that? Another data is what? S name and S marks are there, right? So what is that? String S name, and what is that? Double what? S marks we are taking, right? S marks what? We are taking the
method name.
okay. RECOR. Where? Okay, now fine. Okay, so this is the what abstract method is there, right, guys? This one is what abstract method is there now. Okay, fine now. So where we will go now? It's implementation class. Let's come inside the implementation class. Control Shift B. Now I'm overriding this method, right? So fine now, guys. So next one is what? Next step. But what before before performing this operation, what we will do now? What we will do now? We will write the query, right? We will write the query. What is that? Private final static string. What is that? Update record. Record, right? Record, fine. So what query will be now? What query will be now, guys? Query will be update. Update. What is that? Student. Update student, right? Now set. What is that? Set what? The parameter is there. Now s name, right? Now what is that? S name. I'm taking what? S name. Okay. I'm taking what? S name question mark. Okay. Now comma. After then what is that? Next one is what? Next one is what? S marks, right? S S marks, right? S marks I'm taking. So now what? S marks also question mark, right? Question mark. Now condition. Where where question mark is what? Where question mark is what? Where is a question mark, right? So this is the placeholder. Here data will come as what? Yes.
Where SNO equal to question mark.
Yeah, SNO is equals to.
Yes, correct. SNO, correct. Very good. Okay, SNO, right? Where SNO equal to question mark, right? This is the query is there, right? So now fine, now guys come here and this is the update the record. Copy this one. And here what we will do now? What we will do now, guys? So here what is that? JT dot update, right? JT dot what? Update, right? Okay, so fine, now JT dot update. What we will do now? We will pass what? We will pass what? Our query. Again, what we will do now? SNO, right? Here, what is that? SNO, comma, S name, comma.
No, S name, S marks and SNO, right?
Yes, correct only.
Order.
Yes. Good. Who is that?
Venkatesh.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, so queries are based on that query. Correct. Very nice. S name is there, right? First one is what? First argument, what we will do now? S name. After, based on the query only, guys, okay? Based on the query. After then, what is the S marks we will take? Second one is what? S marks. Right? Comma. After last one, we will take what is that? SNO, right? SNO. Now fine. So this one will return what? Int. What is that? ID just take, right? Int ID, right? It will return again what? ID only. ID only. Fine. So the logic is completed. So come inside that. What is that data runner class, right? Now come in this one. Okay. So what next? What we are going to do now? DAO dot update, right? Update. Okay. So here what we are going to do now? Which record we are going to update it now? 2, right? To second one. So here we will pass the 2, right? And here we will take the name as a what? Amrani. We decided, right? Amrani. And what is that? How much marks are there now? 200. Let's make 300. Okay. So this is the record. Okay. I want to update it. Now it will return what is that? Int ID, right? So again we will take the condition. If ID equal to 0, right? So here what is that? Sysout. updated, right? Plus what is that ID is
Record not updated, Ravi.
Not updated.
okay, correct. I will take it. Record is what? Updated now, okay? Here not, right? Correct? Good observation, guys. Good observation. Very. It's helping a lot. It's helping a lot, right? So now fine. Thank you. Now right click, run our application. See the record, right? What is the Suraj is there now? It will become what is that? Amrani plus 300, right? Our desired output will be what is that? Amrani and what is that? 300. Okay, record is updated. One record is updated, right? Now come here. Now see this. What is that previously? What is that Suraj and the 200 is there. Now currently what is there now, guys? Amrani and what? 300 is there. Now fine. Come on. Okay. Okay. So let's move on. Okay. Let's move on in the next level discussion. Let's move on in a. Okay. So fine now. Come to see this, boss. Whatever our practical is going on already, I explained. Now based on that, what is the explanation or anything I'm using extra, except that this image and all those things. Just tell anything I'm using anywhere extra things. See how I am analyzing the subject and what I'm delivering to you people. One word also I'm not using extra in the practical. One word, right? Because of that, my initial.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because initial 1 hour is too much important. Clear picture I'm giving initially only, right? For the what is the total concept. After then I'm starting to work on that. Okay. So now fine now, guys. So again, what is that? See, what is that? These operation we completed. So now let's move on and we will see this area also, right? These two methods, these three methods are there, right? This what? Three methods are there now. Okay, so fine now, guys. So fine. So for that, what we will do now? This area is there, right? This area. Okay. So let's work on this one. So what is that? I want what is that unique record? Unique record from the table, right? So for that, what we will use now? Query for map only, right? What we will use now, guys? Query. I want to select what is that one record. I want to select what? One record, right? I want to select what? One record, right? One record in the map format, key and value format, right? Key and what? Value format, right? Like this. What is that? Our next operation will be like this. This is the our next operation will be, right? So for that, what we will use now? Query for map, we will use it, right? What we will use it now? Query for map operation, we will perform it now, guys. Okay. So for that, let's specify one method, right? First, what we will do now? Get one record, right? Get one record as a key and value format. Let's see that. Okay, let's get one record and a key and a value format. Now, okay, come here. Okay, here what we will do now? Come inside. Public what? Public what? Map. What is that? Get one one object, right? One object in a map format. Get one record or one what will be method? Okay. Get one object. Let's take object. object in no, this is not okay. Get one, right? Get one record as, right? As what is that key and what key and what and value format. Value format. This one will be our what is that? This is the right. What is that? This is the method. Okay, so fine now. So what is that? But what is that? If we want to select one record, what we have need primary key, right? Based on the primary key only, we will select the one record. Okay, so fine now. So here what we will do now, we will take one argument. What argument? Int SNO I'm taking, right? Serial number SNO. Now control shift O. Map is there, right? Utility class. So now come it's what is that implementation class. Now what we will do now, alt shift S plus B. Okay, so next what we will do now. Okay, so next what we will do now, we are going to select one record, right? One record in the key and the value format in the map collection, right? Using what? Map collection. So just I want to select any record. So what we will do now, first we will write the query, right? First what we will do now, we will write the query. So what query will be? Private final static string, right? String, right? Select one. Okay. Select what? One record. Okay. This is the or my what is that variable name? Now what is that? Select start from student where SNO equal to what? Question mark, right? This is the query. Correct. Perfect. Right? This is the query now. Okay, fine now. So come here, right? Come here. Okay, come in the method now. What is the method? Map, right? So here what we will do now? Here we will take what is the JT dot. Oh, sorry. Yeah, JT dot. What is that? Query for, right? Map. Query for what? Map, right? Inside that what we will do now, we will pass SNO, right? Now this method will return what?
Query name.
Query for map.
Query we need to pass. Query we need to pass, Ravi.
Array, correct. Now here what we will do now? We will pass this select query, right? This select query, comma, SNO. Now it will return what? It will return map collection, right? So we will take map data. Now I'm returning the data, right? Here what I'm going to do now, I'm going to return the data. Right? I'm returning the data object, right? Okay, so we are getting the data object. So now let's come inside that. Error is showing now.
I think we need to save interface.
Okay, yes. Yeah, correct. Okay, so come in the runner class, right? Come inside that. Let's come in this one. Okay, so what we will do now, DAO dot, right? DAO dot get, what is that? Get one record as a key and a value format. So which record we want now? I want what is that? First one only, right? So what we will do now, we will pass first primary key, right? Now ID number we will pass, and this method will return what is that? Map collection. now data, right? Now run this application. Yes, see this guy. We are getting right. Yes, number one S name Padma and what S marks 300, right? And the key and value format are not. Come on, we are getting right.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on, and we will see the next level discussion. What is our next level discussion now? So I want to know here what we are doing now. We are getting the record, right? We are getting the record and what only one record in the uniquely. No, I want to select what is that whatever data is there. Whatever data is there in the database, I want to select all data, right? I want to select what all data. So what we will do now, we will use what query for list now. So for that to selecting all record, there is no need to primary key, right? So which then the method will be not what the method will not be what argumented. So let's create write one method here. So what method will be there now? Public what is that? It will return what is that list of data, right? List of data. What is that? Get all records, right? Get all records, right? Now fine. This is our method. Abstract method. Control. Okay. So now comes its implementation class. Now shift S plus B. Okay. So how what is the so what will be the like query will be there now? Now fine. Private final static string. What is that? Select what is that? Yeah, select all record, right? Select all record. Select what? All records. Now, what is the query will be? Now select star from students. Select star. That's it. Okay. Select star from student. Right. That's it. Now find copy this one. Yeah, we can write it directly. Select the statement in here in the argument also, right? Here also we can write it. But little bit by looking like it's a good, right? Good. But if we write it, then this method argument will become too long. Because of that, I'm using Sudhir. We can write it. We can
Okay.
write.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
can we can write it directly, no problem, right? Don't worry about that. Some people are thinking it's going to complete. One more. What is that? Uh, hmm, what is that? Yeah, I forget it. The name. Callback interface is there. By based on that callback interface, still some operation will be there, guys. Okay, some people are leaving now the session. Okay, they are thinking it's going to complete it now. Still it will take time. Okay, still it will take time. So now fine. So next one is what? Come here. Okay, come here. Let's decide the what is that already method is there, right? So now call that. What is that? Come here, right? So what is that? JT dot JT dot what? Query for what is that list, right? List. Inside that what we will do now, we will pass this query. Now find it will return what is that list of list data, right? list data. Now what will happen now? Here come
List spelling, Ravi.
List spelling.
okay. It will return list, right? It will return what? List data. Okay, fine. Now, so next what we will do now? We will call this list method, right? We will call this list method. Okay, so fine now. So how we can call it now, guys? We will go inside that data runner class, right? We will go inside that what? Data runner class, right? So come inside that. I'm going to use what is the Java 8 feature, right? Here. So I'm commenting this one now. Okay, so here it will be now, what it will be now, here what will be now. So here we will take what is that, we will call what is that, DAO dot uh, get all, right? Get all method. We will call here get all method. This method will return what? List of data, right? List of what is that? List of list only, right? List. Just I'm taking control shift O. Import the utility class. Now here what I'm going to do now, list dot for each, right? For each method is there. Okay, for each method is there, right? I'm taking just yes. Okay, this out, right? This out, yes. That this is what Java 8 feature using what is that for each method lambda expression. What I'm going to do now, list of data I'm going to print it now. I hope the people is knowing this one. Okay, some people, anyone don't know, then I can use what is that legacy things only. Anyone use the chat box? Let's give the response, guys.
That is fine, Ravi. No problem.
Fine. Okay, Juby, this one is a new for you. Okay, no problem. This is what Java 8 feature, right? Java 8 feature, I will use what is that legacy also, don't worry. Okay, I will run the same things in the legacy also. Now I'm going to run the application, right? Now right click, run as what? See this, we are getting right. Two record are there, right? Two record is there in the database. See, two record is there. Those record we are getting on the console or not using what is that our Java application. We are getting the list of record or not, guys? Come on. We are getting now. Okay, so fine now. So like you be saying that this is the new for us, right? So now, so okay, fine now, guys. So what is that for condition? For condition we are taking, right? So for condition inside that what we are doing now? Inside this one, what we are doing now? String s colon, what is that?